Hello, friends. Welcome to White Eagle.
Hi, everyone. I am James, your teacher.
I am Anna, your teacher. Today, we learn about family.
Family is mother, father, sister, brother. Family is love.
We will talk about our family. You listen and learn.
Yes. Listen and say the words with us. Let's start now.
Our family is special. We love to be together.
Yes. Family makes us happy. Let's talk about our family.
We will use simple words. You can say them too.
Ready, Anna? Let's talk about your family first.
Okay, James. I will start with my mother. This is my mother. Her name is Mary.
Mary. Is she kind?
Yes, Mary is kind. She likes to cook.
What does she cook, Anna?
She cooks rice, soup, and chicken. The food is good.
I like chicken. Does she cook every day?
Yes, she cooks every day. We eat dinner together.
That's nice. Does she make bread?
No, she makes rice. Rice is my favorite.
My mother likes rice too. Does Mary sing?
Yes, she sings in the kitchen. She is happy.
That's great. Does she like music?
Yes, she likes music. She sings happy songs.
Say with Anna, my mother is kind.
My mother is kind. She likes to cook.
Now say, she cooks good food.
She cooks good food.
This is my father. His name is John.
John, is he tall?
Yes, John is tall. He likes to fix things.
Fix things. Like what?
He fixes the chair, the door, and my bike.
Wow, he is strong. Does he help you?
Yes, he helps me. He is funny, too.
Funny. Does he tell jokes?
Yes, he tells jokes. We laugh a lot.
What kind of jokes, James?
Funny stories about animals. They make us happy.
That's great. Does he like to read?
Yes, he reads books. He reads at night.
What books does he read?
Books about cars. He likes cars.
Say with James, my father is funny.
My father is funny. He likes to fix things.
Now say, he tells jokes.
He tells jokes.
This is my brother. His name is Peter.
Peter? How old is he?
Peter is 15. He likes to play football.
Football. Is he good at football?
Yes, he is very good. He wins games.
Does he play every day, Anna?
No, he plays on weekends. He is loud sometimes.
Loud? Like when?
He is loud when he plays games on TV.
Oh, I know. Does he like music?
Yes, he likes music. He listens to music.
What music does he like?
Fast music. It makes him happy.
Say with Anna, my brother plays football.
My brother plays football.
Now say, he is loud.
He is loud.
This is my sister. Her name is Sophie.
Sophie. How old is she?
Sophie is 10. She likes to draw pictures.
Pictures. Are they beautiful?
Yes, her pictures are beautiful. She draws our family.
That's so nice. Does she read books?
Yes, she reads books. She likes stories.
What stories does she like?
Stories about animals and princesses.
I like stories too. Does she write stories?
No, she draws pictures. She is very good.
Say with James. My sister likes to draw.
My sister likes to draw.
Now say, she reads books.
She reads books.
My family is special. We eat dinner together.
Where do you eat dinner, Anna?
We eat in the kitchen. The kitchen is small.
My family eats in the kitchen too. We talk a lot.
Yes, we talk about our day. We laugh a lot.
Laugh. That's fun. Do you play games?
Yes, we play games in the living room.
What games do you play?
We play board games. Peter wins a lot.
Does Sophie play games too, Anna?
Yes, Sophie plays games. She likes to laugh.
Say with Anna. My family eats together.
My family eats together.
Now say, we play games.
We play games.
Let's talk about our house. My house is small.
My house is small too. It is warm and nice.
What rooms are in your house, Anna?
My house has a kitchen, a living room, and bedrooms.
Tell me about your kitchen, Anna.
My kitchen is small. It has a table and chairs.
Does your mother cook there, Anna?
Yes, she cooks in the kitchen. It smells good.
My kitchen has cups and plates. We eat breakfast there.
My kitchen has cups too. We drink juice.
Juice. I like juice. What juice?
Orange juice. It is good.
Say with James. My kitchen is small.
My kitchen is small.
Now say, we eat in the kitchen.
We eat in the kitchen. My living room is big. It has a sofa and a table.
A sofa. Do you sit there?
Yes, we sit on the sofa. We watch movies.
Movies. What movies do you watch?
We watch funny movies. We eat popcorn.
Popcorn. I love popcorn. My living room has a window.
A window. Is it big?
Yes, it is big. It has a lot of light.
My living room has a big window, too. It is bright.
Does your living room have pictures, Anna?
Yes, we have family pictures on the wall.
Say with Anna, my living room is big.
My living room is big.
Now say, we watch movies.
We watch movies.
My house has 3 bedrooms. My bedroom is small.
What is in your bedroom, James?
I have a bed, a desk, and a lamp.
Do you read in your bedroom, James?
Yes, I read books at night. I like books.
My bedroom is small, too. I have a bed and a chair.
Does Sophie have a bedroom, Anna?
Yes, Sophie has a bedroom. It has many pictures.
Pictures. Does she draw them?
Yes, she draws pictures on the walls.
Does Peter have a bedroom, Anna?
Yes, Peter has a bedroom. It has football things.
Say with James. My bedroom is small.
My bedroom is small.
Now say, I read books.
I read books. Our house has one bathroom. We share it.
A bathroom. Is it big?
No, it is small. We use it in the morning.
My bathroom is small too. We take turns.
Does your family go outside, James?
Yes, we go to the park. We walk and play.
We go to the park too. We eat food outside.
Like a picnic, Anna.
Yes, a picnic. We eat sandwiches and fruit.
What fruit do you eat, Anna?
We eat apples and oranges. They are good.
Say with Anna. We go to the park.
We go to the park.
Now say, we eat sandwiches.
We eat sandwiches. Our house is not big, but It is full of love.
Yes, love makes a house special. Do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family. They make me happy.
My family makes me happy too. They are my home.
What do you do with your family, James?
We eat, play, and talk. We are happy together.
My family does that too. We love our home.
Say with James, I love my family.
I love my family.
Now say, my family is special.
My family is special.
Now, friends, tell us about your family. Yes, who is in your family? Say, this is my mother. Or say, this is my father. He is kind.
Or say, my family eats dinner together.
Try to say one sentence. It's okay to make mistakes.
Yes, mistakes help you learn. Say, my mother is nice.
Or say, my house is big.
Or say, we play games together.
Write in a notebook. Or tell a friend.
You can say it to your family. Try it now.
Say, my mother is kind.
My mother is kind.
Or say, my father is tall.
My father is tall.
Or say, we eat in the kitchen.
We eat in the kitchen.
Or say, my house is small.
My house is small.
Or say, we watch movies.
We watch movies.
Good job! You are learning English.
Yes, keep saying the words. You will be better.
Practice every day. You can do it.
We believe in you. Your family is special. Let's try one more time. Say, this is my mother.
This is my mother.
Now say, she is kind.
She is kind.
Now say, my family is special.
My family is special.
Now say, we eat together.
We eat together.
Good job. You are speaking English.
Yes, you are doing great. Keep practicing.
Thank you for listening to White Eagle.
Yes. Thank you, friends. We are proud of you.
You are learning English. Be happy.
See you next time on White Eagle. Bye.
Bye, friends. Keep learning and smiling.